Good morning, class. This is our subject tourism marketing. So today we're gonna discuss it about the objectives of tourism marketing. Here you can see some of the questions are given, like define tourism marketing. So we will start from that. Marketing consists of all those activities necessary to bring a product or service from the manufacturer to the end user. These activities include the product and or service itself, the methods of distribution, the methods of pricing, the methods of promotion, the form of selling, the form of advertising. So these all are the activities which are included in the marketing process. In relation to tourism, marketing is the systematic process by which an organization tries to maximize the satisfaction of tourist demand through research, forecasting, and the selection of tourism products and services to meet the demand. It is a management philosophy which, in the light of tourist demand, makes, if possible, through research, forecasting, and selection, to place tourism products on the market in line with the organization's purpose for the greatest benefit. Then we have uniqueness of tourism marketing, why it is unique from others. Tourism is a service, an intangible experience is being sold, not a physical good that can be inspected before is bought. For example, a consumer does not buy a bed or a beach, but buys night lodging in a hotel at the seashore. The service provided is usually composed of several components such as transportation, lodging, food and beverage, attractions, activities, etc. The degree of success of any one component influences the success of the other components. Then, travel intermediaries are necessity because most tourist services are located far from their potential customer. Specialized intermediaries are necessary to bridge the gap between the producer and the tourist. So इसमें हमने यूनिक बात क्या पढ़ी है कि ये जो हमारा टूरिज़्म है दिस इज़ इंटेंजिबल. हम चीज़ों को ओनली एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं. एक टूरिस्ट ओनली एक्सपीरियंस करेगा चीज़ों को, उसको बाय नहीं करेगा. लाइक देयर इज़ एन एग्जाम्पल गिवन कि अगर कोई टूरिस्ट ट्रैवल कर रहा है वो सी शोर पे उस चीज़ को ना तो वो बीच को ख़रीदेगा ना तो वो अपना बेडिंग सिस्टम ख़रीद रहा है. वो जस्ट एक रात के लिए वहाँ पे अपना एंजॉय कर रहा है, राइट. फॉर वन नाइट ही इज़ जस्ट buying the services, not the bed or beach. Then we have the organizations that market tourism destinations usually have a little control over the quality and quantity of services. The guest satisfaction is a function of the staff providing the service. Tourism demand is highly elastic, seasonal in nature, and it is influenced by subjective factors such as price and the physical attraction at the destination. The intangible nature of tourism service means that the visitor's travel experiences exist only in memory after the trip is over. Marketing is a continuous sequential process through which management in tourism plans, researches, implements, control and evaluates activities designed to satisfy both customers' need and want and their own organization's objective. To be effective, marketing requires the efforts of everyone in an organization and can be made more or less effective by the actions of complementary organizations. So there is a system approach to tourism marketing. You can see these are some questions like where are we now? Where would we like to be? How do we get there? How do we make sure we get there? How do we know if we got there? Right? So there are 5 questions which are given like where are we now? हम अभी इस टाइम कहाँ पे हैं? Next is हमें कहाँ जाना है, कहाँ जाना हम पसंद करेंगे. Then how do we get there? हम वहाँ पे किस तरह से जाएंगे? What will be the mode? Then how do we make sure we get there? हमें उस चीज़ को make sure कैसे करना है कि हम वहाँ पहुँच गए हैं. How do we know if we got there? और हमें पता कैसे चलेगा हम फाइनली यहाँ पे पहुँच चुके हैं. So these are the system of tourism marketing. I hope you all understood the topic. We will discuss the next topic in the further session. Thank you so much.